Hello everyone, I'm Raylyn.
And I'm Buck.
And we are Nomadic in Nature.
Today we're going to be doing a review of Homolovi State Park, which is located right outside Winslow, Arizona. Stay tuned.
Homolovi State Park is located about 7.5 miles east of Winslow, Arizona, and is about 3.5 miles north of I-40.
Yeah, we were traveling down I-40 and we were looking for a place that just had large sites so we could just get off the road and just have something that would be very easy to get to, but yet still nice enough that would have all the amenities that we were looking for.
Prices vary depending on the length of site. They are anywhere between $18 to $30. Each site has a 30 amp hookup, and the pull-through sites have 30 and 50 amp.
Yeah, so talking about the amenities, each individual site has a picnic table, a fire ring, and then they also have the big freestanding grill, so if you actually want to do some grilling.
long travel day, we were pretty excited. They had hot showers there, and their bathrooms were really clean as well.
Yeah, their bathrooms were wonderful. The showers especially, a lot of times whenever we're traveling, you get to a site and they either have very poor pressure or no hot water at all. So we were very impressed that they had both.
The maximum stay limit is 14 nights.
Thanks for watching our video. If you like what you saw, please like and subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell icon so you get notified of new videos.